All right, we got a cold front coming in. So I purchased the #1 personal heater on Amazon. Check it out. This is all of the customer service info. There it is. Check out the data there. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy and take a look at it and see how she works. All right, so here we are. It has Instagram, Facebook on there. All right, so it's giving you the support and the phone number, which is on the box. So let's set that over there. Some directions, we probably should read those. And one of those doohickeys. And here it is. It's coming out. Oh, there we go. Bam, done. And that's it right there. Yeah. Let's unveil this. Put that in there. All right, let's slide her up here. All right, so here's your cord. Of course, we've got to unhook this. It's got some information here, warning, risk of fire. All right, so it's got some warnings on it. And it does, I think it's 1500 watts, so that's a lot. So here's, it says do not cover. It's got off. I don't know if that's an on button there. I guess this is the on switch. And all we have to do really is plug it in and see how she works. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Here's the fan. There we go. You can smell it. I guess it's got different levels. Let's go to 1. See if it kicks in. Oh yeah, now we're feeling the heat. So if you go fan, you get no heat. If you go 1, you got heat. You go 2, it's even more. Oh shit, that's hot. That's cooking. That will warm you up. I think you can drop the amount. Oh yeah, like that. Wow, that really works good. I'm cooking, without a doubt. All right, let's bring it back. Let's go to off. Yeah, it works. Definitely works. This thing cooks. If you want to heat yourself up, this really works good. I highly recommend it. And this was only 27 bucks. That's off, that's fan, heat 1 and heat 2. And then you can really crank it by turning this or crank it down this way. So I would, if you guys need to heat a space, I think this is good for 200-foot room. Bam, I totally recommend it for only 27 bucks. It could be a lifesaver. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.